Now you're welcome to another episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. The question before us here is quadratic. The topic before us here is quadratic equation. And the question reads, for what values of x is x squared plus 2 all over 10x raised to the power 2 minus 13x minus 3 undefined. Now, when the values of x can add up to 0, then the equation is undefined. So we'll go ahead to look for the values of x that can give us 0 at the end of this quadratic equation. Solution. Now, taking 10x squared minus 13x minus 3 equal to 0, we'll get the product of 10 and 3, which is 30, and we'll look for the factors of 30 that when we multiply it, we'll get 30, but when we add them, we'll get minus 13. So 2 times 15 gives us 30, plus 2 minus 15 gives us minus 13. So 2 and 15 becomes the correct factors that could help us out here. So we replace minus 13 with plus 2 and minus 15. So the question becomes 10x squared plus 2x minus 15x minus 3 equal to 0. So we group this equation into 2 groups. 10x squared plus 2x will be in one bracket minus 15x minus 3 will be in another bracket. So taking the common factors here, 2x becomes a common factor from this first bracket. 2x in 10x squared becomes 5x plus 2x in 2x is 1 minus the common factor here is 3. 3 in 15 is 5x. This minus collides with this and becomes plus. And then 3 in 3 is 1 equal to 0. So taking what is outside the bracket to form a new bracket, we have 2x minus 3. And we take one of these brackets, since they have the same content, 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, each bracket will be equal to 0, so we have 2x minus 3 equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 equal to 0. So this becomes 2x equal to plus 3. When 3 comes this way, its sign becomes plus, or 5x, the plus sign goes the other side, becomes minus 1. So our x here is equal to 2 over 3, or our x here becomes minus 1 over 5. So these two numbers are the numbers which, when imputed in place of x, we get 0 as the result, as our result, making this equation undefined.